Hi, my name is Norman Peterson and I work for Testerman's Pro Wash. We are a professional exterior cleaning company. I recently attended one of Linka and Harry's workshops, and I'm just giving you a little quick testimonial about that. I've been in sales now just shy of 4 years, so I'm relatively new, so I still have a lot to learn. I am trying to improve my ability to educate the customer without seeming pushy or trying to rush them to get them on the schedule. I've had a few sales classes, which they've been fine, but what I thought was appealing for Linka and Harry's class was their way to educate the customer. Well, closing the customer is not the final step. It is each step along the way, from the first interaction to going over the needs of the customer to giving the proposal to finally getting them on the schedule, which dramatically drops the pressure for myself and most likely for the customer as well, because I'm more relaxed. There's no sense of rushing or urgency. We're just here educating the customer and being able to provide a service. I would highly recommend this class to anyone who's just starting out in sales or someone that's been in there for a while and is looking for a fresh perspective on how to engage with their clients. Thank you.